I always find this new pastime. I always found.
All I heard was CeraVe, so I'm guessing it's something about his skincare is messing up.
It's just a let's celebrate the king's glory.
Show us some.
Tissues.
Gad, you really show the audience what.
I'm looking for more.
Is there a new DJ already?
Are there any more stupid stuff? That's great. Oh, is it just? No, I'm trying to read.
Is that the
No way.
ranking?
Oh.
Wait, worst design fails. The power buttons where the delete key is.
Oh. Okay, that's a design flaw.
Lovely.
In just a few hours, all of this Amazon packaging will become my computer. My friend Gabriel's gonna come over to put it together because he's done it before. That's the before pick, I guess. And the after pick will be the computer, which you'll see later. This is my old setup. It's clunky. It's something. Yeah.
It's the 604060!
We're,
we got 36, but who cares? It's the latest and greatest 1080.
we're unboxing all of my computer stuff right now. Wait.
Let's get this out of here.
Oh.
Yeah! Okay, good.
There you go.
Good. Oh, here's the case.
It's the case.
Okay, let's put this out somewhere out of the way.
You can go put it outside. We have a really big fragile box as well in there. So. That's a mouse. Yep.
The hell's this big ass box?
That's my microphone, my road mic.
USB. Oh,
USB.
it's mic. Okay, let's put this back then. UPS Express. CPU. Okay, we need this. We actually need this.
Yes.
PSU. That's another SSD.
That's me.
Oh, the CPU cooler? Yeah, NHD15. What was this?
I tried opening that. I don't even know what it is.
There we go. Reliable third party, not box cutter material.
There you go.
I feel like
That might be my PreSonus audio interface. That might be my audio interface.
audio box. Okay, this can go.
That's for connecting my guitar to record.
What's this? This is.
It's an Amazon package. Well, that might be the it's that.
RAM. Okay, we're gonna need that actually.
There's a box, 3 boxes left after that.
Oh, it's the motherboard. Yeah. Okay, we actually need that.
You still have a fragile box out there that I have yet to open.
Where?
There's 2 boxes. One of them is the monitor. I think, one of them is a monitor, one of them is a keyboard. I think it might be the fragile box because it's a fragile.
What's this?
I've tried opening but failed to open that. Maybe get your little third-party box color. That's not a box color. What is it anyway? Okay.
Oh, what the hell is this?
Oh, it's my keyboard. Oh, that's good. All right, and then is there anything else in there? Or not? Or is it just a paper?
There's nothing. It's just paper.
This is the real thing. I think there's a reason why it's like wrapped in so much stuff. Maybe just stab in it. I think it's deep enough to where like if you just stab it, it shouldn't. Yeah, that should be fine.
I'm tearing through the bubble wrap.
Yeah, exactly.
It's illegal. You have to get a pair of scissors. You can't be slashing with a candy tool like that.
You got it.
It's gonna help us in the long run.
I'll get scissors, don't worry.
Okay. You just need a little more effort.
There you go. Can he make it?
Go.
I think if you have to use the inside. There you go.
Kobe. That didn't work.
Kobe.
Are you gonna record everything? Because this is gonna be like 4 hours.
I know, no. I was recording the unboxing part. This is the motherboard. Oh my god.
Okay.
Let's take this bad boy out.
Good.
Oh.
Go away, plastic.
This is the CPU, right?
Yep. Okay, we got the yellow triangle, bottom left. Yellow triangle, where are you at, yellow triangle? Yeah. Triangle is on the bottom left. Triangle also on the bottom left. Good. Is that nice? Nice.
How do you lock it? There you go. Oh,
That's normal. That's meant to happen.
okay. I was gonna say.
Nice.
Is it good?
Yeah, too.
Cool.
Yeah, look at this sexy piece of RAM. I don't want to open it and redo it. Here's another sexy piece of RAM, yeah. Nice.
Is it good? Thumbs up.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Right, RAM's in, mate. Now what we've got to do. Are they the same screw?
What are you doing right now?
This is the M.2 heatsink. We just want to get rid of it.
Okay.
Nice.
So you add the. Is this like the hard storage for this?
That's your storage, yeah. 2 terabytes as well, so very nice.
I mean, it's what this computer has, except
But
it's
this is faster.
fair enough.
Oh, it reminds me. I don't care, man. I just want building some dude's computer.
Some dude.
This is the part where we have to do back plates. Whatever. Yep.
Reading.
We ripped the f***ing thing.
Rip the page.
Okay, well at least it's
It's the middle.
conveniently not ripped any of the legible parts.
Yeah. But it's still not finished exporting yet. What? Oh, you got it. And it's dead.
Okay. I hated
No.
this part. I hated this part so much. I have to take the fan off apparently.
There's a fan.
Yeah, we have to take the fan off.
Oh.
That's not hard. Okay, how do you like it? Do you want Redux being on the left or the right?
What's the difference?
Nothing. It's just
Oh, the name.
Yeah.
Left. I don't know. Wait, how is this gonna be like stood up?
So it'll be stuck onto here and we screw it on. You're barely gonna see it.
Yeah.
Because you have tinted glass.
Do left anyway, because left is it. I'm right-handed, so to make it left.
Lift test. Does it come off? Does it give? Because the worst thing that could happen is like you pick it up and then it all falls off. And that happened to me when I built my first PC.
Oh no.
Luckily, it was only this far away from the.
Oh yeah, so it didn't the
So
damage.
it didn't do any damage. It just like slipped. I was like, what? Hopefully these screws align, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I have to do that because they have like 1, 2, 3.
They have what?
They have like spring suspensions on them,
Oh.
so you can't hold them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah,
Oh.
it's good.
Now it's the fan, isn't it?
Up here, I think. Fans on. Okay, the fan's on.
Okay, nice.
It's
You've
just oh, there we go. Let's fix that. Okay, I have to open up the case.
it's you now. You have the case out.
Cool. That's got stuff that you might want to remove later down the line.
Wait, what?
It's got small stuff you want to scratch off.
How do we get rid of that?
There's a screwdriver.
Okay.
Kick at it. Oh, we got
It'll probably just stay there because that's how it usually is.
this.
Wait, I need to see
Oh,
this.
you got a glass panel. Oh no.
What?
Oh, never mind. It's cool.
What's happening now?
We're getting the accessories that we need.
Ooh. This is an RGB, right?
Yeah, it's an RGB.
So it'll color nicely, I guess. Is everything in place?
Looks like it.
Is this step just like getting everything inside this thing now?
Should be.
Is like a little like plastic
I
there?
think it's
Or is
kind of impossible.
maybe you're not supposed to remove it.
Yeah, it won't affect much further, so it's fine.
This is a power supply.
Put it in here.
And we're doing power cabling now. Power supply cabling.
Right, PCIe, that's nice. SATA.
We have a mess over here, and the PC is good. Oh, the buttons are on top. I didn't realize that is how it is. They're supposed to be in the dumps. I'm still transferring files.
Fan and RGB check, and then GPU. That's
How
what we have
long
left.
approximately?
This.
You don't know the real
see.
struggle when you try to put an RGB fan on. Apparently.
These are really freaking tight. Okay, I need to put pressure on
Oh,
this
great.
one.
Okay.
Ooh.
Is it done?
No.
Oh, there's two more?
Yeah.
Great.
Oh my god, I'm getting iron filings on my hands. Push,
Oh,
push the
yeah.
bottom part. Push the bottom
There's
part.
4 of these left to do.
Keep pushing. Push as hard as you can, because we're basically fighting to put a screw in.
Ow!
Let go. Nice, that one's in.
Okay.
Okay, next. In.
Ow! Ow!
In.
Ow! Wait, I let go.
Keep
Let go.
pushing. Oh, it's in the wrong way.
What do you mean?
Faces suck. Oh,
Oh, no.
oh no.
What's the problem?
You have to flip it around.
Oh, goodness.
Yep, it's the
Like,
wrong
I thought, that, like, is it like upside down or something? Or is it like...
No, this needs to be facing that way.
Why? It has the logo on it.
That's the rule. Faces suck. It will suck hot air. It will suck all the air in, and it's just battling. The hot air is trying to battle to go out and in. Face in. Exhaust. Faces suck. Hot air out. Good. Yes.
Is it done?
Yes. That one's done.
Ah.
I can't feel my right leg.
I can't feel my right
Oh
arm.
my god! I'm actually sure.
I can't feel my right arm.
Nice.
We are closing the case now.
Okay, the back panel is staying closed. That's a good sign.
Is there still more stuff you have to add to the front? Or is that it?
One more. GPU.
GPU, okay.
That's GPU stuff. Let's check audio. Front panel. USB, yes. Type C, yes. JUSB 3, whatever that means, yes. Okay, that's great.
The one final thing left before we close this whole thing.
Well, we won't close it yet because we still need to boot test it.
Oh, fair. Is this just a simple like slot in?
Yes and no.
Okay, that's
The harder part. We need to ensure it's open. I think that's open, yeah. Now we need to screw it to stop any sag.
Is it almost done?
It's almost done.
Alright, I'm about to turn off this computer for the final time. I'm just gonna power by it because it doesn't matter in the end. Bye bye. And it's gone. The other cables are there. You can kind of just mess with it after when you're just plugging everything in. I'll just leave you to it. Alright.
Let's try it. Hopefully it doesn't fail. Which one's plugged in?
This one's here. Oh, it looks sick!
Okay, that's front. The back don't glow though. Why?
Nothing's coming out either. There isn't like a power on it. Except for it's on the back? Yeah, it's here. No power.
Oh wait, is it unplugged?
Maybe.
Okay, wait, we should have.
It might be
Is
this.
there supposed to be an LED?
Oh, it's on.
Let's just see if it works.
Oh.
Hold on.
Ooh.
Nice. Boot test. Nice. We got it.
Okay. Mouse, keyboard. We're loading OS.
Don't press anything.
Okay. Oh! Look at it. It's on. And this is on. I have my mouse as well over there. and then the main computer we're just testing out real quick. But yeah, we're trying to load the OS, and there's a video guide.
How's your audio connected?
Speakers. Those are the speakers there. We're just currently setting up drivers and doing stuff with the OS, but the computer is almost there. It's almost there. Don't look at how this is. Don't look at that. That's not good. These are pretty cool though. The lights. We have stored all our empty boxes here just in case to keep them, and this is a trash pile. And we still have a keyboard and the monitor to set up. That is something else, and my PreSonus as well. That's cool. Taking the monitor out. Okay, that's the first one. Ooh. Can we move the old one to the right first, because it's replacing what the old one was in priority.
You move that, I'm getting the stuff out.
Cool. Ooh.
Nice.
Got the dual monitor set up, and we're just cabling them and wiring them, I guess. You can sort that however you want to. It's just.
Oh my god.
I recommend using that last one, the one on the far end of the wall to plug in the computer itself, the power cable for that. Keyboard, Sonus. Let's get these set up.
Yeah, now it's much smoother.
Oh
It's way
wow.
better.
You have the full setup.
Let's get Roblox, because we need to just let's get
Okay. What is this? I'm playing Roblox just to test out the graphics.
Or at least if the CPU can handle it.
Yeah.
Roblox, it's free.
It's complete. And it looks awesome. It looks even more awesome than it did before. It's definitely an upgrade. Do not mind the cable management. That is its own thing. But it's fine. This is the actual computer itself. It's really big. You can see my switch down there as well. That's connected. Then, if you move up a layer, you have my mechanical keyboard, RGB, and also my Logitech mouse. Up there is where all the upgrades happen. This is my workstation. I got my Rode microphone, which does work. And I have my PreSonus audio interface, which I've yet to try out, but hopefully that will connect that guitar to the computer. Speaking of the computer, we got two monitors, which one of the monitors can be switched to the Nintendo Switch source if necessary, and they're both just used for my workspaces. I got my headphones down there, or up there. My little camera's perfectly fine, but it's a bunch of gibberish right now, but that's a thing. I can also play the keyboard. Just a simple thing. It's so good. It is so good. I'm so happy.